It's that hectic back-to-school time again. Are you feeling overwhelmed with shopping lists, schedules, and new passwords? Managing family chaos can be tough. But with 1Password families, you can simplify everything. Start with an easy setup. Sign up, become the family organizer, and invite loved ones. Next, download applications across all devices, so everyone stays synchronized. Experience seamless password management. Import data from other password managers and protect all your information in secure vaults. 1Password stands out with its robust security model, ensuring your family's data is private and secure. Make this school year stress-free. Protect your accounts and keep important information at your fingertips. Take action now. Enjoy 50% off your first year with 1Password families. Your organized life awaits.